Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Melta video editing app. In this video, I will show you how to import your music or your sound into your video in Meta Edit app. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on the audio tab right here. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you click on import. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on import from files. Then go ahead and look for your audio files. I'm going to go ahead and click my audio. I'm going to scroll down right here and select my audio right here. And it's going to be successfully imported, just like what you see right here. Then you can also work on the audio as far as volume is concerned, and the fade in and fade out of volume docking. So for that, I'm going to go ahead and click on volume right here. I'm going to click on volume. Then I can turn down the volume of the. Then you can click on apply volume to all clips. So go ahead and click on that. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on this check mark to confirm the change, just like so. Then you can play the sound and find out if you are satisfied with the sound. If you are not satisfied with the sound, you can continue to work on the audio. You can go to fading, and then you can fade out and click on here to check mark, so you can see the wave of fade in and fade out from the audio in the timeline. So just like so, it's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use Edit app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.